Oh, this is the Regal Baby best to begin since when moving up Uncle Cody outside Daikiri Les. In the middle is Wardanzer on the outside since when Daikiri Les running by the Regal Baby. Uncle Co comes next, spelling the Orange running by the He's entry number 5, that's fighting back. And that's still Regal Baby, Wardanzer, Daikiri Les now racing in third since when in fourth. Fighting back, he's racing in fifth. Uncle Co, Bite My Dash, Felix Dior running by the quicker, so Musketeer. And the last champion now racing in last, Regal Baby, Wardanzer, fighting out for the leader. Daikiri Les on the outside third, racing in fourth since when. Fighting back now, coming closer in fifth. Bite My Dash in sixth. Now we have Daikiri Les takes the lead, Wardanzer. Here comes fighting back along shot on the outside. Together with Sinswen, Bite My Dash also coming closer in third. Daikiri Les fighting back, moving up on the outside is Bite My Dash as they come down at the last time of the year. Bite My Dash in the middle portion is fighting back. Daikiri Les is running by the ladder. Daikiri Les, Bite My Dash, Daikiri Les entering the finish line. We have an upset coming from Bite My Dash, Daikiri Les. Then comes 180 best champion. Then comes fighting back.
Okay, Bayan Carista, para sa inyong race number 9, we have an upset here with entry number 7, Bite My Dash. Nirendahan ni JB Guse. At masisegundo dyan yung nalyamadong numero 10 na si Daikiri Les. 1A Divas Champion numero 5 fighting back. Nabitin po tayo para sa ating Super 6 but tingnan po muna natin na nangyari dito sa inyong replay for race number 9.